Hello and welcome to FC Goa TV on Prudent. I am Neeraj Prabhu. In our earlier programs, we have interviewed the attacking players of FC Goa as the focus has been primarily on attack because they have been playing such a lovely game, beautiful football on the eye and scoring bucket full of goals. Today we are going to put the defense under spotlight, and right now standing by my side is the goalkeeping coach of FC Goa, Virender Singh. We all know him from his earlier career as a India goalkeeper, and he also played for Churchill Brothers as their goalkeeper in those good old days. Virender, how is life at FC Goa? कैसे चल रहा है आपका goalkeeping department? In a sense, what's the progress being made in the goalkeeping department?
हाँ, गोलकीपिंग डिपार्टमेंट में अभी थोड़ा हमको और इम्प्रूव करने की ज़रूरत है. सो जैसा कि भी पिछला 4 मैच में हम लोग चला, तो आई थिंक वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव एंड वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट एंड आई एम श्योर वी विल इम्प्रूव.
FC गोवा ब्यूटीफुल गेम कर रही है आगे जाते हुए. 13 गोल किए हैं, लेकिन 9 गोल कंसीड हुए हैं. सो इस तरह से हम अगर देखें तो डिफेंस में थोड़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है. लेकिन कोच सर्जियो लोबेरा जो हैं वो डिफेंस को सिंगल आउट नहीं कर रहे हैं. वो कहते हैं कि पूरी टीम का काम है ये गोल कंसीड इतने नहीं करना. सो उनकी फ़िलॉसफी से आपको क्या प्रेरणा मिल रही है?
नहीं, देखिए, जैसे वो बताते हैं कि भाई इसमें डिफेंस का ही ब्लेम हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि जो first defend striker is the first defender. So if we lose the ball there, if we can defend there, so it will be better. So this is a team game और हम सबको साथ में ही डिफेंड करना पड़ेगा. जैसे हम लोग साथ में ही अटैक करना पड़ेगा. So जैसे हम लोग फर्स्ट अटैकर बोलते हैं, भाई गोलकीपर इज अ फर्स्ट अटैकर, डिफेंडर व्हेन वी विन द बॉल बिहाइंड, सो वी हैव टू बिल्डिंग अटैक फ्रॉम बिहाइंड ओनली. सो दिस इज एवरीबॉडीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. इसलिए कोच ने ठीक कहा कि भाई दिस इज़ एवरीबडीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, नॉट ओनली डिफेंस लाइन वी कैन पुट अंडर प्रेशर. सो दिस इज एवरीबडीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दिस इज टीम गेम.
राइट. और इनकी जो स्ट्रेटजी है, जो बिल्ड फ्रॉम द बैक कहते हैं, शॉर्ट पासिंग गेम होती है, और कभी कभार ओपोनेंट को अगर बॉल मिलता है तो क्विकली पेनिट्रेशन भी हो जाता है. तो थोड़ा रिस्क रहता ही है ना डिफेंस के लिए.
सी देखिए, ये एवरीबडी इज हैविंग अ डिफरेंट स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले. सो इसमें अच्छा है हमारा कि हम लोग ये इधर से लंबा मार के रन करने वाला गेम नहीं खेलते. वी ऑलवेज बिल्ड फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. सो सम टाइम लाइक यू सेड रिस्क इज देयर, बट वी नीड टू फोकस व्हेन वी प्ले फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. आवर डिसीजन शुड बी राइट. So this kind of thing we have to see when we play. We have to more focus, more involved, and our technique should be right. So this is a risk is there, but this is beautiful. We build from behind and we score goals.
Yes, you mentioned that decision taking is the very vital part of this system that is employed by Coach Lobera. So sometimes the boys are found wanting in decision making, like a couple of occasions where Muhammad Ali was found wanting. So इस तरह से थोड़ा प्रेशर आ सकता है, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चों को थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं है.
नहीं, like Ali, like when say he is young, he will be good in future. Like he is getting match experience with foreign players, so definitely he will improve. और जो डिसीजन मेकिंग जैसे मैं बताया, वो तो इम्प्रूव करना ही पड़ेगा. दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, दे नीड टू रीड द सिचुएशन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन इज देयर. सो उसके हिसाब से उनको रिएक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो उस पर वो वही जो मैं बोला कि इन्वॉल्व होना पड़ेगा, फोकस करना पड़ेगा. डिसीजन मेकिंग तभी इम्प्रूव होएगा जब हम गेम में इन्वॉल्व होंगे मोर देन 100%. आवर कंसंट्रेशन लेवल शुड बी हाई, देन ओनली वी कैन मेक राइट डिसीजन.
अभी आते हैं गोलकीपर लक्ष्मीकांत कट्टीमणि. हम जानते हैं, वी नो दैट ही कैन सेव दोज गुड strong attempts at goal. We saw in the last game also towards the end he made a couple of good saves. But हमने ये भी देखा है कि फर्स्ट गेम से उनकी जो कंसंट्रेशन जो है उसमें थोड़ा लैप्स आ रहा है, और थोड़े गोल जो उन्होंने लिए हैं, how many are down to lapse in concentration and how many are down to having some fault in the technique? क्या हो रहा है कट्टीमणि के साथ?
नहीं, देखिए, इफ़ वी कंसीड गोल्स समटाइम डेफिनेटली साइकोलॉजिकल हिल बी डाउन. सो डेफिनेटली वी वर्क ऑन टेक्निक पार्ट ऑल्सो. इफ़ यू हैव राइट टेक्निक, सो यू विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट and you will make a right decision. So definitely we are working on technique also, एंड दैट जैसा मैंने बताया कि डिसीजन मेकिंग जो समटाइम वी पास फ्रॉम बिहाइंड समटाइम इंटरसेप्ट हो सकता है, तो उसके बदले हाउ यू टू रिएक्ट, दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. सो मिस्टेक इज डिफरेंट पार्ट, बट हाउ यू रिएक्ट टू दोज मिस्टेक, यू नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम दोज मिस्टेक्स एंड रिएक्ट पॉजिटिवली, क्योंकि जो हो गया उसमें आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. उससे कुछ हम लोग सीखने के बाद में उससे सीखना है और इम्प्रूव करना है, ताकि वो मिस्टेक हम लोग दोबारा रिपीट ना करें. एंड आई एम श्योर लाइक एक्सपीरियंस ही इज हैविंग ISL and he is being a senior goalkeeper, definitely he will improve and he will play with confidence coming matches.
आपको लगता है उनकी टेक्निक बराबर है या उनको he has to make some adjustments to his technique?
नहीं, definitely technically always everybody needs to improvement, and we are working on that. And
Right.
he's being a senior goalkeeper. He's like always serious in training, giving 100%,
Okay.
asking how we have to do, what we should do. So we are working on that.
I was coming to that part. You also have Naveen Kumar and Bruno Culasso in training. Are these three goalkeepers pushing each other in the training? Are the other two goalkeepers pushing Kattimani for competition for the places?
Yeah, definitely they are doing very good in training. And you know, Naveen last year played in I League with Churchill. He played very good. And Bruno also, you see, last year Santosh Tobi is the best goalkeeper. So we have good goalkeeper. There is no doubt. And training, they are doing very well. They are definitely they are pushing. They want just chance. But here, we everybody is doing good.
Right.
So we have to see how we have to which goalkeeper we have to play in our tactical design. We have to see. But everything they are good, and I'm sure about Katimani, he will do good.
Yes. Thank you, Virender ji, for talking to us, and all the best to you and your goalkeepers, and of course, FC Goa team. So there you go, goalkeeping coach Virender Singh there, expressing confidence in Lakshmikant Kattimani as well as the two other goalkeepers in the side, Bruno Culasso and Naveen Kumar, that they all are good and FC Goa are really in safe hands. So that's all from me right now. We'll be back with another FC Goa player very soon. Keep watching FC Goa TV on Prudent. We have with us central defender Bruno Pinheiro, the most experienced foreigner in the FC Goa lineup here with us. Bruno, you've been here in the old regime, now you're back. What's your perspective of the ISL? What changes are you noticing in the league?
Well, actually, the ISL this year is much more organized than in the first year, which is normal. The debut season was everything was new for all the organizers and everything. Now I see that it's more organized. We have more time. Also, they prolong the league for more 2 or 3 months, so it gives us time to recover, to make good trainings during the week. So which is fantastic and which is normal in Europe. So I guess that India, close little by little, is getting close to the European standard, which will all benefit the football in India. So I think that this season it's much better, and I think the next season will be better and better.
What's your take on the foreign players that have come in ISL this year?
Well, I can speak for the ones that we have here in FC Goa, which I don't even have to say nothing. Everyone
Right.
can see how we are performing. I think that we have very lucky to have the foreigners players that we have here. Also among the Indian players, of course, we have a very good team. The rest of the teams I cannot. It will be unfair for me to talk about it because I don't see them every day in the trainings like I see our team. So as far from FC Goa, we are very lucky to have the players that we have here, and we are showing everybody that we have a very strong team, and we are title contenders, and that's what we are working every day to become.
The Indian players, have they improved in according to you?
Yeah, a lot, a lot. I saw in the first season that they couldn't handle it so much well with the pressure to play so many fans, so many media coverage. And this season I see them more confident, more released, and you can see also the Indian national team that also performing very well. The younger team also the World Cup. You can see how they play. So I think that was a very big improvement for the Indian football. And I will not say that it's only thanks to ISL, because IL League also is a very competitive league, but I think ISL give an extra boost to the Indian football.
Bruno, coming to Sergio Lobera's philosophy of building from the back, it's absolutely pleasing to see, but it has its own risks with regards to the hazard that is there for goal to be penetrated anytime. There's so many gaps. So, what is the players' analysis, especially defensive defenders' analysis of that philosophy, and how is it going for you?
Well, in football, this is my philosophy. In football, like in life, to take big victories, you need to take big risks. So if we want to play an attractive football, a playing football, attacking football, we need to take risks. So we take risks from the back. We play a lot in the defense. We play with the goalkeeper, because it's very easy to see the flaws, the mistakes of the defense, of individual players, of midfielders, or whoever. But the thing is that we must know that differently from the other teams, when we have the ball, when we attack, we play with 11 players. Our goalkeeper is also a field player, which is very, very important for us. The other teams maybe don't have this resource, because they take it to the goalkeeper play direct. So us now, we appreciate a lot the ball possession. We know that we will have more opportunities if we keep the ball, if we play like we are playing. But of course, one bad pass, one individual mistakes leaves gaps. But this is a risk that we take, and so far, I mean, we are conceding a lot of goals, but we are scoring a lot also. So, as far as we score more than we concede, this is our goal.
Fair enough. Also coming to this passing philosophy, and when we see the ball is in the danger area, you guys are not clearing the ball quickly. You still have faith in the passing philosophy, and the ball is cleared by that short passing route. So it is very agonizing for the for us, for the fans to watch. But you have great faith in each other, right?
Yeah, I mean, we have to remain focused on our philosophy. This is the philosophy that we have for this season. I think, and I agree with this philosophy, because if we just throw up the ball or put it away, or we give the ball for the opponent, which they will attack, or in hairball we don't have so much tall players in the front, so we might lose many balls. So we prefer to keep the ball. When we have the ball, it's impossible to concede goals, right?
Yes.
It's only possible to concede when we don't have the ball. So the much time we have the ball, the best. So we take risks. Yeah, we play in our area, in our defense zone. Yeah, but when we pass this 4-3 passes and we get to the middle, it's a very big space. Why? Because all the other teams go to press us, and we pass with one pass or two passes in the defense. We press one or two lines of pressure zone, and then our midfielders and our attacks have space to control, to lift their head and to see where they're going to play. This is very important. Absolutely. Because if we play in the defense, we play direct. In the middle will be crowded. They will not have time to think, all the time pressure. So it's good for us to play in the defense, make the opponent team to come, and then a good pass between the lines, and we open the opponent.
Absolutely. We also have some young Goans in the 11, like Mohammad Ali. Absolutely great potential, but here and there some mistakes do happen. So you are a guide for them, being a senior pro. So how are you guiding the likes of Mohammad Ali?
Well, Muhammad Ali, it's like you said, is a very talented player. I think honestly that if he continues to perform like this, I mean, improving some mistakes. This is mistakes that is not technical or ability mistakes. This is mistakes of confidence and the risk that all the team makes. He makes mistakes. I can make mistake. Yahoo can make mistake. All the players can make mistakes. This is not something that because he's inexperienced or something. I think he have a very big potential. I think I told him already that he can be a player for the national team of India very soon. But well, I try to do my best to organize the team in the defense. Of course, when you play this kind of attacking football, when you score so many goals, sometimes you lose your head and you want to attack all the time. And when you lose the ball, we just a few guys in the defense. But I try to keep the team organized. I do my best. They trust on my words, and but we must keep improving. This is the defense line is all new. We never played together. I played only with Nari in the first season. Serrington and Ali is the first time they are playing ISL. So it gets time. It's improving game by game, and I think that we learn. It's a team that learn from the mistakes. So I think that in the next games will be better and better.
The fans seem to be absolutely excited, and there's real buzz around. Have you noticed some change from the time when you were here in the first season with regards to the fans?
Well, actually, in the first season was amazing. Also, I cannot
Okay.
say that there is so much difference. I can see now that the fans are very excited because we are performing very well. They see that we are this year we have a very big opportunity to take the cup. So I see this enthusiasm and this exciting from the fans, but also in the first season because maybe it was a debut season. Also,
Right.
the fans were amazing. So I have this opinion that I tell to everyone that for me in Fatorda it's very difficult to beat us, and we showed already that in two games that we had the game we win, and it's also because of our fans. They are our 12th player. They help us a lot, and this is our strength in Fatorda.
Right. Now the next game is away at Delhi Dynamos, the team that also plays a good brand of football. So, how do you see this game happening there?
Well, in ISL, there is no bad teams. All the teams are good. They have very good players, both foreigners and Indians. But actually, I'm not worried about the name of the opponent. It's just one more game to try to win the 3 points. We are focusing ourselves to try to improve the mistakes that we did in the last game, and improve even the good things that we want to do better. So this is the philosophy, and this is the state of mind of this group. This is what makes us strong, and honestly this is awesome because we don't need to fear no one, because we know that if we are improving and we are good, it's very difficult to beat us.
Absolutely. You will come across your old teammate Romeo Fernandes there.
Yeah, Romeo is there. Yeah, it's I don't know if he's playing so much this season,
Not
but
really. Yeah.
yeah, but Romeo was amazing the first season after he went to Brazil. He is a very good talent. I'm looking forward to meet him again.
Wonderful, Bruno. All the best, and
Thank you
thank
very
you
much.
for talking to us.
Thank you.
Cheers. So there you have Bruno Pinheiro. You heard him. The team is really, really looking forward to the next game in Delhi, and they have great confidence in their attacking ability as well as the potential of their defense and the talent they have in there. Bruno, being the senior player, can really be the guide, and all other foreign players as well as good brand of Indian players in their experience and the youth players coming through. So overall, the FC Goa hold a promise of being the title contenders, and they are absolutely happy with the support they are getting in Goa with all you fans packing up the stadium. So FC Goa really look a very settled unit, and they feel they have the confidence to go all the way in this ISL 4. Thanks for watching Prudent. Keep watching FC Goa TV. Keep following us on our Facebook page and log on to Prudent website to follow all the programs on FC Goa TV. Goodbye from me here from the Bambore Athletic Stadium where FC Goa set for their training session here today. So that's all from us. Goodbye.